students, I am Lahan here. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach you first chapter of physical education, that is changing trends and careers in physical education. In my previous video I have taught you about the career options in physical education. In my yesterday's video I have taught you teaching career in physical education. Teaching career in physical education, you have learned about which are the teaching career in physical education in elementary school, in middle school, high school, senior secondary school, college and university level. Today you are going to learn about coaching career in physical education. First point here, teaching career in physical education I have explained in my previous video. Those who haven't watched that video, you can go through that. And today my topic is here, coaching career in physical education. Coaching career in physical education. So coaching career in physical education and health related career also. I will explain today health, coaching career and health career. Health related career. Health related career. Okay. Today there will be 2 points discussed. Health related careers in physical education. So let's start. Coaching career is also a traditional career in the field of physical education. Many physical educators prefer to opt for coaching as career. There are a number of job opportunities for coaching as in the field of teaching. There are a number of job opportunities for coaching as in the field of teaching. Many coaches want a dual career as a teacher and as a coach also, whereas other desires to coach only. Opportunities to coach exist in both the school and non-school settings. Opportunities of jobs are available to coach in middle schools, high schools, senior secondary school, especially in private, public schools, in colleges and universities. At school level, to coach many here to coach at school level, it may require to teach physical education and also to coach a team also. He or she coach may be appointed to coach a team, but it is applicable only in private public schools and not in government schools. In colleges and universities, coaches may be appointed to coach various teams for inter-collegiate and inter-university competitions. Numerous jobs opportunities are also available in state sports development departments. Here, numerous job opportunities are also available in state sports department and Sports Authority of India (SAI) in non-school settings. Coaching opportunities are also available with professional teams, commercial sports clubs, hotels, private enterprises and government sector. There are also some advantages and disadvantages of a coaching career. Okay. And this job as coach requires here intrinsic rewards in the form of respect and excitement of winning. On the other hand, our coaching career has some disadvantages also. The coaching hours are long. Many hours may be spent during practice sessions, during reviewing the results of game, planning for the future, and counseling with players. Differences in salaries at different level of appointments can also be seen. Coaches are usually placed under tremendous pressure to achieve or win the competition. They are required to conduct practice for competition and to coach during the match. During practice sessions and matches, the coach must motivate the players to make their best effort so that their maximum level of performance can be achieved. A coach must be a good teacher. A prospective coach should obtain a diploma course in concerned game or sport, Master of Sports, MS degree in an additional qualification for higher level of coaching. If a coach has to teach here, if a coach has to teach and coach, he or she should qualify at least a certificate course of coaching in concerned game or sport along with the required qualification of physical education teacher. This certificate course in coaching is arranged for in service physical education teachers. In coaching job, a coach should be able to give interviews. He or she should be able to speak in front of groups. A coach must be aware of the current trend and latest rules of the game. For this purpose, he or she should attend here clinics, seminars and workshops. Then comes health careers here in physical education, health related careers in physical education. So during the last 20 years, there has been a rapid increase in awareness of health. Nowadays, people have become more health conscious. They want to be healthy and fit. They want to keep away from various diseases. Nowadays, everyone is cautious. Everyone is aware of his or her health. So they want to keep away from various diseases like hypertension, heart diseases, and disorders such as obesity, diabetes mellitus. This is name of one of the diabetes. They have realized the value of health. Everyone wants to lead a healthy lifestyle, and that is why health related career opportunities in the field of physical education have expanded in recent years. The very first and significant area under health related careers and weight control clubs, the number of health and weight control clubs has increased rapidly during the last decade, last 10 years. These clubs are based on the individual's desire to be physically fit, to have a slim and trim figure, and to look the best. These health clubs are being run by the owners or are in the form of franchise. In fact, it has become a big industry. The major concentration is on collecting money from the public rather than trying to provide good service. But there are a number of health and weight control clubs which are reputed and have excellent programs. Physical educators may find ample job opportunities in such health and weight control clubs. The activities and services provided by these clubs vary, but fitness activities remain the same. The facilities to play various games here, such as squash, tennis, swimming, etc., are usually provided by these clubs. Other facilities like whirlpools, steam rooms, and massage are also offered. Instructions regarding diet and nutrition are also given to the clients. In health clubs, where weight control and nutritional counseling are main concerns, physical educator may educate the client's dietary habits so that they may reach the goal. As the interest in being fit and healthy in our society grows, job opportunities also appear to be excellent. Another field of career in athletic training under health related careers, but in India such careers are available only at the national level. Generally, athletic trainers work with national teams of games and sports. In India, there is little scope of job opportunities in schools and colleges, whereas in Western countries, the job opportunities for athletic trainers are widely available, and athletic trainers' responsibilities are numerous, but their prime responsibility is related to prevention of sports injuries and rehabilitation of injured athletes. The athletic trainers work with coaches in making and supervising conditioning programs. So, in conclusion, we can say it can be said that the job opportunities for physical educators are widely available in health and weight control clubs, slimming centers, and fitness clubs, but careers in athletics training, especially in India, are limited. So, in the next video, you will learn about administration related careers. In that, you will learn key administrators are required not only in teaching areas but also in the areas not connected with teaching, such as sports programs. The careers related to administration in physical education are Department of Physical Education, Sports Department, many departments will be there, Industrial Recreation, Sports Facilities Management. Then you will learn about performance related careers as players, as officials, careers in communication skill. Here, communication media, you will learn in this communication media, you will learn about sports journalism, book writing, sports photography, book publishing, sports broadcasting, marketing, sports industry. So, administration related careers, this will be discussed in my next video, and you will watch chapter 1 based videos. I think this is third video, and for your pre-midterm exam, chapter number 1 will be in your syllabus, and there will be oral exam of 5 marks and 10 marks too. Test will be there, and very soon you will be provided date sheet, timetable, and till then you will watch the videos very carefully. Okay, thank you, and stay alert, stay healthy, mask yourself, take proper care, and please watch this physical education videos when uploaded in school app. Thank you. Stay alert, stay healthy. God bless you. Thank you.